Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make rosemary serum using fresh rosemary leaves which I ordered from Swiggy Instamart. So I have these pouches of rosemary leaves, 10 grams each as you can see, and from this I will create rosemary water. First, I will wash them very nicely so that all the bad parts are going out. I have also cut out the dried parts and I'm washing these very nicely so that all the soil and the dust are going out of it, and I only have extremely clean leaves to start with. Now I'll be taking a strainer and strain the dirty water out of it and keep the clean rosemary. The extra pouches I will be saving them for future in my fridge, of course, because yeah, these are fresh leaves. So I did take 3 pouches which equals to 30 grams. For each 10 gram we have to put 2 cups of water, so that makes it 6 cups of water, and then we will have to put it to a boil. So we have to boil it extremely hard so that all the goodness comes into the water. I'm doing the same over here. It's boiling now. I'll leave it to a boil for at least 2 minutes and then I will let it cool down. So after this I will close it with a lid and turn off the flame, of course, and let it completely cool down, after which I will be transferring it to another clean container. So after 3 hours I see that my water is completely cold now and the serum is ready. So I have this glass jar ready and I have cleaned it. So I will be storing the maximum part of it in this jar. As you can see, it's a brownish, reddish, yellowish colored liquid. I will take some ready for use in a plastic bottle in which it will be easy for me to use it every day. So this serum needs to be massaged into the scalp. As you can see on the crown of my hair is thinning, so that is where I'm putting my maximum focus into, and with very light hands I'm going to massage it nicely into my scalp and let it do all the good work. And in my frontal area in the hair, as you can see, there is thinning of hair. Now after I have applied it, we are not going to wash it off, we are not going to shampoo it, okay, we'll just keep it like as it is. Next morning I did wake up with silky hair. This is the third day of my wash, by the way, and I found my hair really silky. It is never like this usually, but whether rosemary is actually going to give me new growth, that I will be sharing with you in my next video. Till then, thank you so much for your time. Do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button and share it among your friends and family. I know hair thinning is a big problem, we all are facing it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.